Shane Car. Shane Car is a revolutionary electric two-wheeler designed to suit both tight urban areas and wide-open highways. Now, take a closer look. The wheel system is integrated with artificial intelligence (AI) technology to automatically adjust the balance with the cabin, making the car move smoothly and stably. And forget about traditional driving. Shane Car uses sophisticated AI algorithms. Helps the car easily maneuver into side parking spaces in tight spaces. Step inside and the cabin is like a cocoon that comfortably accommodates up to 5 passengers while still being packed with smart features. Need more stability at high speeds? No problem. Shane will automatically activate the speed balancing feature thanks to AI sensors with real-world intelligence. Smart and stylish. Next, check out the PAL V Freedom, the dream of a flying car, made real and smarter than ever. It's seamless on the road and in the air thanks to the dual switching mechanism. On the road, the propeller and rotor system are firmly fixed, sending power directly to the wheels for a surprisingly agile driving experience. But when you're ready to take off, the car transforms, sensors and automation make sure everything is perfect. In the air, it uses autopilot, a key helicopter principle enhanced by modern stabilization technology. Next, Apple Vision Pro. Apple isn't just calling it VR or AR, they're calling it the dawn of spatial computing. This groundbreaking device is designed to completely redefine the way we work, play, and connect, seamlessly blending the digital and physical worlds with. Imagine an infinite workspace floating right in your living room. Vision Pro transforms the way you interact with your favorite apps, arranging them on an infinite digital canvas that's intuitively curated through your gaze and gestures. AI understands your intent like never before. But it's not all work. Vision Pro also functions as the ultimate personal home theater. It's a theater, personalized and complete, no matter where you are. And check it out, it even has Apple's first 3D camera. Help you relive precious moments like stepping back into your memories, made more vivid through AI enhancement. Omni Hoverboard. See how it stands on the water? The carbon fiber frame makes it incredibly light, defying gravity. The 8 propellers aren't just for lift, they constantly adjust every second to keep the rider balanced. Back in 2015, this technology set a Guinness World Record for the longest hoverboard flight. Since then, developers have continued to improve and tweak those control systems, making them smarter and more intuitive. Now, meet Bal Robot. It's designed to be an integral part of your smart home ecosystem. Bally's AI brain is always learning your habits, preferences, and anticipating your needs. It even uses sensors and AI to intelligently track your pets or loved ones while you're away, sending you updates. But here's the cool part, Bal has a built-in projector. Powered by Tizen OS, it can display a smart TV-like interface on any surface. Set mood lighting, play music, all controlled by this little AI sphere. And now, perhaps the most complex integration of AI into personal transportation we've ever seen, the Speng AOT Modular. It's not just a vehicle, it's a system. Consisting of 2 parts. First, a powerful 4-wheel drive ground module, 6 wheels and a rear-wheel steering system for moving on the ground, even over rough terrain. But what's unique about it is the unique integration of a ground vehicle and a flight module, allowing for flexible transitions between land and air mobility. The flight module is an eVTOL aircraft, designed to operate in both manual and autonomous modes. Overall, from driving on rough terrain to flying autonomously, the Speng AOT Modular is a breathtaking vision. Jetman, the dream of flying freely. Look, he is conquering the sky with his personal jet wings. AI is like a stealth pilot assistant, playing the role of stabilizing the flight, analyzing the data environment and supporting smooth and safe flight adjustments. With a flight speed that can increase to 300 km per hour, Jetman's wings are helping him soar into the sky, accompanying the Airbus A320 aircraft. Although still in the process of completion, perhaps the Jetman wings are the dawn of the era of personal air mobility. Imagine waking up every morning in the middle of the ocean or in a peaceful bay at the smart floating apartment. The highlight of this floating apartment is the trimaran hull design, 3 hulls, that increases stability and reduces rocking even in large wave conditions. AI always adjusts the journey based on wave and wind conditions to always be smooth. And also convenient as a luxurious, comfortable apartment. The smart energy management system helps the house always maintain electricity for all appliances such as dishwashers, washing machines, air conditioners without worrying about waste. The boat apartment is a statement of free and classy lifestyle and the perfect connection between technology and nature. H2F aircraft. A breakthrough in the aviation industry thanks to hydrogen and AI technology. No traditional fuel is used, H2F only uses hydrogen fuel cells and emits only pure water vapor. The flight control system is integrated with advanced AI, allowing automatic optimization of flight routes according to weather and terrain. Predict and prevent incidents based on real-time data. Hydrogen fuel cells can be recharged quickly, making H2F easy to deploy in the current flight network in urban areas. Healthcare City, the future medical ecosystem. Look at this architecture. No longer a traditional hospital or medical examination area, Healthcare City is an extremely efficient smart medical city with automatic flying ambulances, can quickly access difficult areas, shortening the golden time in case of emergency. Pod takes patients or relatives to the right treatment area without worrying about getting lost. But there is more. AI is the brain that controls the entire city, analyzes information, automatically routes patients to appropriate treatment areas, automatically manages logistics and closely monitors public health. AI will seamlessly integrate all medical services from examination to treatment. All electronic medical records are intelligently connected, allowing doctors and AI systems to make quick and accurate decisions. Jetpack. Equipped with a jet engine, the JB-10 is making the dream of flying like a superhero come true. Just by wearing this compact device on your back, you can move on the water, experiencing the feeling of absolute freedom. The twin-turbo engine helps you reach speeds of up to 100 km per hour and reach a high speed of 4.5 km. AI technology integrated in the backpack helps balance, direct energy and even optimize fuel for the flight in general. It can be seen that the personal flight revolution is flying with a series of advanced technologies, and the important role of artificial intelligence in controlling, balancing, and optimizing every system is undeniable. Currently, this jetpack that helps the wearer become a flying person has become the equipment of the Indian Army. PodRide electric bike, smart all-weather transportation. PodRide, smart all-weather transportation. This is not just a regular electric bike but also an extremely flexible and durable personal transportation solution. With a closed-frame design like a mini car, PodRide helps you move easily in rain, wind, snow or even ice, something that few personal vehicles can do. Not afraid of terrain, PodRide can handle slippery surfaces and harsh weather conditions well, providing a safe and comfortable driving experience. Designed like a small car but still retains the environmentally friendly aspect, while still having the fitness features of a bicycle. Equipped with a 250W motor and adjustable with 14 moving speeds. PodRide also integrates AI to optimize battery usage based on terrain and your route, making urban commuting smarter and safer. Airspeeder Crude Mk4, AI-powered flying race car. Looking at its design, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Interestingly, it uses gimbaled thrust technology. That is, instead of having fixed thrusters, gimbaled thrust allows the thrust direction to be adjusted by rotating the engines or nozzles along multiple axes. This allows the vehicle to change direction or stabilize position without changing the entire fuselage to ensure superior maneuverability. This machine reaches a terrifying top speed of 225 miles per hour. At this speed, human reflexes alone are not enough. AI is essential to continuously analyze data from sensors on wind, gravity, speed, position, etc. Automatically adjust the thrust angle in real time to keep the vehicle stable, even in bad weather conditions. Predict and react faster than humans, allowing pilots to focus on tactics or flight. TAP Strap 2. Tap Strap 2 is a wristband-shaped device that revolutionizes the way we interact with the digital world through finger gestures. Forget the bulky keyboard. Forget the bulky computer mouse. And ditch the traditional devices. That means you can type anywhere, on your desk, on your lap, or even in the air, without the need for a traditional keyboard and mouse. This smart device recognizes every finger movement and translates it into accurate characters. From writing a message while cooking to replying to an email while cycling. Tap Strap 2 integrates intelligent AI algorithms to accurately interpret your every touch, turning your hand into an infinite control interface. Tap Strap 2 can also flexibly connect to any device, any platform, even VR/AR. You can use it to control your phone, computer, TV, or play games, virtual reality glasses smoothly and realistically. Blackfly? This is a VTOL aircraft and is very compact, uses all-electric power, environmentally friendly, and the best thing is that it is capable of flying autonomously, no pilot required, but still provides outstanding safety features thanks to AI constantly monitoring the electrical system, battery, propellers, sensors, and weather conditions. If a fault is detected in a part, the backup system will be activated immediately, ensuring the flight is not interrupted. The multi-modular redundancy architecture helps handle the problem without affecting the safety of the pilot. Blackfly is also equipped with an emergency parachute and active defense technology, a powerful anti-error system, always ready to rescue when risks occur. It's amazing. Peugeot Uni-One. This is a compact electric vehicle specifically designed to change the way we move flexibly and quickly in urban traffic. With its compact size, Uni-One is extremely flexible when moving in crowded neighborhoods, easy to park and pass through narrow alleys. Peugeot Uni-One also has excellent flexible turning ability, helping the driver to easily control in small spaces in the city. This smart electric vehicle is also equipped with intelligent driving assistance system, including features such as collision warning, automatic parking assistance and journey monitoring, helping the driver to have a safe and comfortable driving experience. It is also equipped with touchscreen and smart connectivity, allowing the driver to easily control all functions, from temperature control to entertainment features to help you optimize the driving experience in urban environments. Peugeot Uni-One, compact, smart, affordable and electric. This is the future of urban transportation. PAL-V Liberty Sport, dual performance sports car. The PAL-V is being driven on the curve. But the PAL-V has a secret. It is also a gyroscope helicopter, boasting the ability to transition incredibly quickly and seamlessly from ground-based driving to airborne takeoff. The AI integration here optimizes the systems for stable, comfortable, and convenient flight. And this is the magic moment, folks. The rotors open, the tail extends, beautiful, ingenious. During that transition, AI plays a role in optimizing the systems for stable, comfortable, and convenient flight. The PAL-V is the pinnacle of luxury personal travel, setting a new standard for flying cars. EMO Virtual Assistant. EMO is designed to be a pet, an active companion for your workspace. Look into its expressive digital eyes. With advanced sensors and sophisticated AI, EMO can interact with you, expressing various emotions and movements. But EMO doesn't sit still, it also knows how to move, explore the surrounding environment, using AI and built-in sensors to enhance its intelligence, gradually learning and developing its own unique personality based on your interactions. It can also recognize up to 10 different human faces. And it entertains you too. EMO can dance, play music, and even join you in online games. EMO is not only a tool but also a companion. How cool is that? Archer Midnight EVTOL, the future of urban air transport. Designed for short, continuous city flights. Look at the design. The Archer has a 12 tilt 6 configuration, 12 propellers, with 6 blades tilted for vertical lift and forward flight. The aircraft is designed for 1 pilot and 4 passengers, with a focus on safety and quiet operation, crucial when flying in the city. The AI flight control system plays a crucial role here, managing the complex transition between vertical and horizontal flight and ensuring stability. scheduled for commercial launch around 2026 after FAA certification. And look, the United Airlines logo. This aircraft, powered by electricity and controlled by sophisticated AI, is poised to change the way we move through our cities. What a cool technology!